Hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the report based question. So what are the reports are there? So that kind of the report based question I'm going to explain in our today's video. Okay. So now let's we start the question. So what is the question in this area? So need a complete report on state wise and priority wise incident records. Show how many records are assigned to a group wise users. So these records must be created between 1st January 2020 22 31st December 2023. So this is the question. Okay. So now, so can we just analyze the question first of all? So what is the report we need? We required a report. This is a one question we received. For example, need a complete report. What is the means? In a state wise, how many incidents are created, and the two in a priority wise. In a, for example, new state, how many priorities are there? So that priority wise, how many incidents are created, and that too in a we are going to just find out the group wise users information also. So we are going to just in-depth details we need required, and that too the condition is there 1st January 2020 22 31st December 2023. In between the record creation records only we need to explore. Got it? So this is a question. How to create a report in detail in clearly means simple. Okay, I'll show it to you clearly. So for this reason, I'll just go to my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance. Now I'm going to just click on all. So simply reports. So whenever I'm just clicking on reports, typing a reports in this left navigator, now you can see I want to just create a new one. So simply you can click on. So whenever we are going to just create a new one. So now see here, we are going to write a name of the report. What is the name of the report means? State wise and priority wise incident record. Okay, so that's fine. Simply I just given that according to our requirement wise, just I given some value, the report name I given, and the source type is it should be the table. And the table, what is the table, which table we are going to use in our reporting area. So I'm just using the incident table. So incident table I'm going to mention. Simply I'm going to click on next. So now in this area, I need a multiple filtering conditions, means I need a state value and priority value, users value, and that too. So I'm using the assignment groups also. So that's the reason I'm going to use the multi-dimensional reports or multiple reports I want to use. See the multi level pivot label. So table report I need to use. Multi-dimensional reports are there. In this area, I want to just choose the multi-level pivot table. And one more thing, before going to just use this one, I'm going to suggest to everyone, according to your requirement wise, you can choose your reporting styles. So that is the reason you just I'm using the multi-level pivot table and simply clicking on next. So now it is cannot generate the report. So simply it will show like that only. Don't worry. So first of all, you need to give a select a columns. What type of columns we required? So we required the assignment group because of the reason. So assignment group wise. So incident records, how many incident records are created, I want to check. So and that to assign to how many members are there in a group wise. For example, in a group, for example, a group is there, a group contains so 5 members. So each and every member wise, so records we need to track, and simply click on OK. That's fine. And selecting rows also, I'm going to select the rows, and that too it is a like a state wise. So state wise, and next one is a priority wise also. I'm going to just mention the priority wise. The two things I'm going to mention, I'm going to click on OK. So whenever I'm going to just click on run. So then automatically it will ready to show the clearly the cab approval. For example, you can see that see empty in that Bud Richmond, Fred Ludi, ITIL user. So the group wise assigned to people are there. So then cab approval is empty, hardware is a so Don got file and the service desk person say Don got file and hardware Johnson, Howard Johnson and software is a Beth and Angeline Fred Lurie. So these are all the different type of like bifurcations are there. So whenever the group assignment group is there in that assignment group and user wise like a assigned to people wise just it was divided the records. So how many instances are created and that too not only this one. Now you can see here the left side whenever we are just using the state wise. So in a new, how many are there? 6. In progress, 3 are there. Like a empty area. Overall, new is a like a 6 and in progress is a 13. On hold is a 3. Like this, it will be there. And if you just go to the priority wise means now you can see that priority wise also the moderate is how many are there and the planning is how many, the total how many are 6 are there. And like a in progress you can just come to the in progress side and high moderate planning like this. So got it. So this is very simple area we are going to create a in detail reporting styles. Okay, now in this area I want to just go to the style. Simply I'm going to just use a style and empty are there now. I'm going to keep it as a zeros. Simply run the report. Now you can see that. So in an empty area it will show the zeros. And not only this one, I want to use the like a Excel sheet type of example. I need to see that Excel sheet type of rows and columns I required. So that's the reason display row lines and display column lines are there. Simply I'm going to run. Now you can see it will be showing as a Excel sheet wise information it will be appear. And one more thing, not only this area, for example I want to see the any conditions. For example I want to keep a one condition. So if any information values more than one or more than two are there, so what kind of the colors we need to just use. So if for example if more than two instances are assigned to one person, so then it will show the color values are different or the background colors are somewhat different. How we can make it mean simple? So we can make it as a edit coloring rules. So first of all we need to save this record. I'm going to save this one. Okay, it was saved. Now I'm going to just click on edit coloring rules are there. So whenever I'm going to just create a coloring rule, what is a coloring rule means? Simply new color rule are there I'm going to mention. So now you can see that greater than. Okay, so for example I'm just using lower than 1. For example lower than 1. And what kind of the color we required means, so the color is the font color is a just we required what kind of the color and so white color and the background color is a uh, red color I will mention. Okay, so now you can see I'm going to submit. So I'm going to say okay. Now you can see what happened. So whenever the 0 means below 1 value is present, then automatically it will be apply the colors. So these colors are applying into the whenever the value is 0, so then automatically it will showing as a simply the background color is a red color and there is a letter color is a white color it will show. Got it? It's very simple and easy and lookup was very nice. And according to our question, so we completed only half of the question only. What is that? So we just completed the result assignment wise assigned to people are there and state wise priorities are there. Everything will be fine, but we need to find out the requirement. For example, the created instance are between the so 2020 to 2023. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going to just click on filtering condition in this area. So in a filter condition, now you can see that created records created. So the created between, okay, between, so what is that first one? The date is a between just 20, okay, so January 1st, so January 1st 2020, right? So 2020, right? And the ending, so what does that means? Like a in this area 2023 December 31st. Got it? So now you can see that, so 31st December 2023. So now I'm going to run a record. I'm going to run this one. Now it will try to show the, so in progress on hold, because new incidents are not present. Okay, so it was filtered. Got it? So these are the high, moderate, planning is there. These are the different type of values are present. Got it? It's a very simple and easy to use. And if you want to use the titles, if any chart title means like a state wise instance, for example, I'm going to mention, so state wise and priority wise incidents, so that's fine. So you can see here, whenever we are going to click on run, then automatically it will show the colors and all informations will be right to present in this area. So that's, it looks very simple and easy, and it will create the different type of sheets. Now I want to share the record. I want to run it again. Now you can see here, I want to save it, and after completion of the saving I want to share. What does it means? If you want to add to the dashboard, or otherwise if you want to click on export PDF, means it will try to convert into a PDF also. Now you can see, I'm going to click on generate now, export, and now after exporting it will ready to show the downloading option. Now you can see that it will successfully downloaded. I'm going to just show it to you how it will be look like that. It's very simple and easy. So the report title is a, now you can see, so the report title is given as a, so particularly state wise and priority wise instant records, and the time and date it was given, and who just run by the system administrator table is the incident, and query condition is there. Now you can see that query condition created between these kind of the timings values. So these are the perfect report we need to so display to our so any particular reporting manager or anyone. Got it? It is very simple. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and if you not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.